I'm Selena, a teacher with over 20 years of experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. Let's explore the FTCE Preschool Education Birth-Age 4 007 exam, focusing on the knowledge of health, safety, and nutrition. This section is all about how to create a safe, clean, and healthy learning environment for young children. Let's dive in. A substance that contains a part or a weakened version of a pathogen that stimulates immunity is A or N, disinfectant, antiseptic, vector control, or vaccine. A, disinfectant, is incorrect. This is used to kill germs on surfaces, not for immunity. B, antiseptic, is incorrect. This prevents infection by killing germs on skin or wounds. C, vector control, this is incorrect. This prevents the spread of diseases by managing carriers like mosquitoes, but doesn't stimulate the immune system. The correct answer is D, vaccine. A vaccine is used to stimulate the immune response of a body. It is made up of a part of the target pathogen or a weakened version of that pathogen. The varicella virus is responsible for which of the following childhood illnesses? A, gastroenteritis, B, hand, foot, and mouth disease, C, chickenpox, or D, conjunctivitis. A, gastroenteritis is caused by another virus or bacteria. B, hand, foot, and mouth disease is caused by Coxsackie virus. D, conjunctivitis is often caused by bacteria, viruses, or allergens. The correct answer is C. Chickenpox occurs as a result of the varicella virus. Chickenpox involves red, itchy spots accompanied by fever and flu-like symptoms. A student is bullied at school, on the playground, and in the lunchroom by other children because of a stutter. The teachers are not aware of the problem since it does not occur in the classroom. When the student comes home crying and explains to his parents what is happening, the parents do not seem to care because they are too busy and do not have time to listen. Which of the four major types of child abuse or neglect could be occurring in this scenario? A, physical, B, medical, C, emotional, or D, educational. A, physical, there's no mention of physical harm or injury. B, medical, is incorrect. The child's medical needs are not discussed or neglected here. D, educational, is incorrect. The child is attending school and there's no mention of being denied access to education. The correct answer is C, emotional neglect. One of the four major types of child abuse or neglect occurs when a parent ignores a child's feelings, which can then result in a sense of rejection or worthlessness. Which of the following strategies is best to establish physical safety in the classroom? A, ignoring instances of unsafe behavior and letting students work it out. B, establishing clear rules and consequences for unsafe behavior. C, allowing students to run and play around the classroom. Or D, allowing students to bring toys from home. A, ignoring unsafe behavior is incorrect. This sends the message that unsafe actions are acceptable. C, allowing students to run and play around the classroom is incorrect. Classrooms are not designed for rough or fast-paced play. D, allowing students to bring toys from home is incorrect. This can create distractions, cause conflicts, or bring unsafe objects into the environment. The correct answer is B. Clear rules and consequences for unsafe behavior are essential to running a physically safe classroom. It is important to consistently enforce them to promote a sense of accountability and responsibility among students. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions for the FTCE Preschool Education Birth-Age 4 007 exam. And for even more detailed practice strategies and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our FTCE Preschool Education Birth-Age 4 test prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.